Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph, and today we're gonna do a review of the AOC Q3279VWF8. I know the name is kinda long, but this monitor is a one big ass monitor. It's a 32-inch monitor, and it's great for gaming, for productivity, or whatever do you want to use the monitor for. Not only that, this monitor also features a really good price for its features. So let's go to the basics first. So the AOC Q3279VWF8 features a 32-inch VA panel, and it comes with a high-resolution panel of QHD. That's 2560 by 1440. That is pretty big, that is pretty good, and that is pretty high resolution, but it's quite good for 32-inch panel. It also offers a 16:9 display aspect ratio, which is perfect for most games and applications. So you won't have any problems with its aspect ratio. And of course, this one is still good for productivity, such as using it for Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. The 32-inch monitor also comes with an AMD FreeSync, which is a big advantage when you're playing games like Apex Legends and PUBG. Of course, there are features exclusive to this AOC monitor, including the shadow control. So shadow control lets you adjust to the in-game image to improve the areas of the screen that are really dark or even wash out. This is really essential to some games with varying lighting conditions, so you can easily see your enemies. Again, 32-inch display might be big for some people, but for me, it's perfect, whether I'm playing games or using it for my blogging. So inside the box is where I can find the accessories included with it. So the AOC monitor comes with a CD, DVI, VGA, HDMI, power adapter, and a DisplayPort adapter. So at the back of the monitor, you can see that there's a combination of matte and glossy design. Aside from that, you can also see the ports such as the power, DVI, HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, and also the headphone jack. Another noticeable feature in this monitor is that it has a stand that has a brushed metal look that adds to the premium feel and also to the sturdiness of the monitor. So aside from that, it also comes with an easy install mechanism or build, as you only need to screw only one screw to put the stand into the monitor, which is really good. But despite that, the monitor is quite sturdy, but it does have a little moving parts or a little flex, but I still kind of like it, as I don't have to use a lot of screws or confusing mechanisms for the monitor. However, the AOC Q3279CWF8 doesn't have a VESA mount, which is a big deal for some people, especially if they want to mount it at their own stands or if they want to mount it on their wall. Regarding the stand, there's no way to swivel the monitor, but you can tilt the monitor at limited angles. The viewing angles are just fine, but it's definitely not the best on its price range. With regards to the display, the AOC Q3979VWF8 is immersive. I mean, that's expected considering that we have a 32-inch panel over here. As for the panel, it is really immersive, as I can open 4 windows simultaneously. So I can watch videos on one window, I can type in on my blog, my next blog on the other window, play games on the other window, and Spotify on my other window. There's the 88% NTSC color gamut on this monitor, and it brings fine colors, but I'm pretty sure that it isn't the best one. But again, it's quite fine for me when I use it for Photoshop and video editing. Of course, adjusting the settings of the monitor is a big deal for me. I mean, for some people, they have to adjust the colors, the brightness, and everything for better performance in gaming and also for video editing and Photoshop. And in my case, I adjusted some of the colors. I used the other mode so I could have a better gameplay with games like PUBG Lite. The monitor also comes with a 75Hz refresh rate backed with AMD's FreeSync for tier-free gaming. And in our test and experience, we love that feature, and it drastically improves our gaming experience with the monitor, especially on FPS games, as we barely see some tearing on those games. This is really good. Despite having only a 75Hz refresh rate, this is a big deal for me, as some monitors that I have only have 60Hz. Overall, the AOC Q3279VWF8 is a decent monitor for everyone. Not only it is great for productivity, as we have a 32-inch display and where we can run different windows simultaneously, but we also have an AMD FreeSync, which is again a big deal for me, especially when playing FPS games. There's a decent colors on the display too, which is for the people who are into photo and video editing. However, some people should take note that this monitor doesn't have a VESA mount and it has a limited capabilities when it comes to tilting and swiveling. But hey, we're talking about a 32-inch monitor with a really good price, and it also comes with all the ports that you need. So overall, this might not be the best monitor when it comes to hardware, but for its price, this one is quite good. So if you like our review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I am Jam of jamonline.ph, and don't forget to check out our social media channels such as my Facebook group at facebook.com/jamonlineph, my groups /jamonlineph, Twitter /jamonlineph, and also Instagram /jamonlineph. So once again, I'm jamonline.ph, and if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I'm jamonline.ph. Thanks for watching our review of the AOC, I need to read the name again, Q3279VWF8.